Our society was built upon scientific and engineering advances. The engineering that helped drive things forward was, in large part, driven by people trying to make life better. In the field of computer graphics, we used reality as a benchmark until we started to make pictures that actually looked like they were real. Virtual reality is trying to do that in a real-time way so that you can interact with it in fairly significant ways. Then you can begin to convey new ideas to people. You can explore things which don't exist. So virtual reality is a way of making a larger space within which we can work and test our ideas and think and create. And the thing I love about engineering is trying to figure things out. How do things work? What do we do with them? How do we solve problems? This is creating the future.
The game industry has been around for a very, very long time. Some of the first programs it created were computer games. There's quite a number of people who are excited about the concept known as gamification. The notion is, can you use ideas from games to incentivize or motivate things in work? For example, brushing your teeth or filling out your taxes. What if, by doing these rather mundane work-like things, you get points, rewards, badges? In IBM, we're interested in trying to apply these concepts to education, training, compliance, security.
94% of life on this planet is in the oceans. We're just a tiny minority. We walk around on a little 1/3 and we call it Earth. 2/3 of the planet's unexplored. It's for the next generation.
If we're ever going to understand this planet, if we're going to go in the oceans, we're going to have to move with these animals. We've got to go fly in that space.
When engineers dream, things happen.
What should we be doing now that will be needed 25 years from now? Well, why don't we develop the capability to network across the solar system in order to support manned and robotic space exploration? Why don't we figure out how to build a space-based internet? So we developed a suite of protocols, which we now plan to standardize for all the spacefaring nations. Then every time we launch a new mission to someplace in the solar system, we'll be able to use those protocols for the spacecraft to talk to each other and back to planet Earth. When they've completed their final mission, they can be repurposed to be nodes of an interplanetary backbone. So that's what engineers do. They turn science fiction into reality. That's engineering.